Wave motion can be defined as moving energy from one point to another. How is wave generated? Wave is generated due to disturbance in any medium. Uh, Wave require any type of motion or any type of source or medium for their propagation. Basically, there are two types of wave motion. They are mechanical and electromagnetic. What are mechanical waves? The wave which require a proper propagation, a proper source for their propagation are known as mechanical waves. For example, waves generated in water or sound waves can be considered as mechanical waves. What are longitudinal waves? The waves which do not require any type of medium for their propagation are known as electromagnetic waves. For example, X-ray, UV ray, gamma rays are all considered as electromagnetic waves. Now, mechanical waves can be further divided into two basic types, which are which are longitudinal and transverse waves. Thus, here the overall view of waves can be taken. Here, waves can be divided as mechanical wave and electromagnetic wave. Mechanical waves which require medium and electromagnetic which do not require a medium. Mechanical can be further classified as longitudinal waves, which example of longitudinal waves are sound waves, and transverse waves. Example of transverse waves are water waves. Electromagnetic wave which do not require a medium. Examples are light, microwaves, infrared, X-ray, ultraviolet rays, radio waves, etc. Thus, here the overall basic classification of waves can be seen. What are transverse waves? The waves in which the motion of the vibration of the particle and the direction of propagation of particle are at 90 degree to each other, that is, they are perpendicular to each other. For example, the motion of the rope can be considered as a longitudinal waves. In the moving rope, the direction of the propagation and the vibration of the rope are in same direction. That's why they are considered as transverse waves. More than that, the waves generated in water can also be considered as transverse waves. Now comes the properties of transverse waves. In transverse waves, as I already told, motion of propagation and vibration of the particles. Thus, as I told, the example of transverse wave is the motion of the rope. It can be seen here. The particles of the rope vibrate up and down while the energy travels at a right angle to this from A to B. There is no transfer of matter from A to B. In transverse waves, the amplitude and the time period remains the same. Waves are traveled in the form of crest and troughs. One crest and one troughs together forms a wave. Now comes longitudinal waves. The waves in which the propagation, the direction of the propagation and the vibration of the particles are in the same direction, then it is known as a longitudinal wave. For example, the motion of the spring or the elasticated spring after it is left can be considered as a longitudinal waves, as the vibration and the direction will be in same direction. It is known as longitudinal wave. Properties of longitudinal waves. In longitudinal waves, as I already told you, the direction of propagation and the vibration are in same direction, that is, they are parallel to each other. Moreover, in it, amplitude and time period remains the same. Compression and rarefactions are the medium for the travel of the wave. One rarefaction and one compression together forms one wave in longitudinal waves. Thus, now let us see the overall difference between longitudinal waves and transverse waves. In transverse waves, the direction of the motion and The vibration of the particles are perpendicular to each other, that is they form 90 degree to one another. Whereas in longitudinal waves, the direction and the vibration are in the same direction, that is they are parallel to each other and they form 0 degree angle with one another. In transverse waves, crest and troughs are formed, whereas in longitudinal waves, compression and rarefactions are formed. Uh, Transverse waves can be generated in solid and liquids only, whereas longitudinal waves can be generated in solid, liquid as well as gaseous forms also. Waves in transverse waves can be polarized, whereas the waves of longitudinal waves cannot be polarized. There is no change in the density of medium in transverse waves, whereas there is change in density in the longitudinal waves. Example of the transverse waves are waves generated in water, whereas the example of a longitudinal waves are waves generated in sound. Thus, we totally understood the wave motion, transverse and longitudinal vibrations.